Welcome to the Fun Food Cooking channel. Today we are making some awesome chicken rolls. Let's get started. First, cut the chicken into pieces. Rub some lemon zest on your chicken strips. Sprinkle on a black pepper and a spoonful of light soy sauce. Now, squeeze the juice of half a lemon and mix it with a tablespoon of cornstarch. Pour this over your chicken and let it hang out in the fridge for marination. While that is marinating, shred some cucumber and carrot for a crunchy vibe. The next step is to beat 3 eggs with a pinch of black pepper and salt and mix them up. Pan fry your marinated chicken until it's golden brown and juicy. Also add in your shredded veggies and cook them lightly. Pour half of the beaten eggs into the pan. Then carefully place the rolls on top of the eggs. Allow everything to cook until the eggs are set. And there you have it. Roll up those chicken rolls like a boss. Unwrap them with a smile, slice and dig in. I hope you enjoyed this tasty adventure as much as I did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and stay awesome. Have fun.